Hello you guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Ellie and today I'm going to be explaining how I was able to lose 40 pounds within the last 6 months being stuck inside quarantine. The heaviest I've ever been was 200 while being pregnant, but this was embarrassing to me. Like, I felt so uncomfortable in my own skin because I've gained so much weight and I was constantly eating and eating. So this time around I wasn't able to blame my weight gain on a baby because I was the baby. Working all those crazy amount of hours, it led me to eat out a lot more. So I was eating fast food constantly. I was snacking throughout the day. I was pretty bad. I barely drank any water. So first of all, before I became strict on myself, starting this whole workout, I knew jumping in, I wanted to eat more fruits, more vegetables, get more in there because there's certain vegetables I won't eat or try. But now if you tell me to eat or try something out, it's easy. I tried so many different recipes with vegetables. I've had my kids try them. A lot of stuff that I was missing out and my kids was missing out. More outside their comfort zone. Broccoli is still not a thing for them. I don't think it's ever gonna be a thing for them. I don't really like broccoli like that neither, but I mean, I'll eat it. But I won't eat the stem. Now, diabetes run in my family and I eat lots of sweets. I literally have a soft spot for sweets. I treated every meal like a full course meal, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I decided to make that change and promise myself to stick with it, and I basically just try to motivate myself. If you want to work out, you literally have to sit there and force yourself to do it. And you think about wanting to go and work out, but then you don't have the energy to want to go and work out. Just force yourself. Just go and just start doing it, because if you don't do it, then you're never gonna do it. And that's how I was pushing myself. I was literally in my own head like, ugh, I don't want to do this. But then I'm like,
you gotta go, come on, get up.
Just remember, you're building your own self-esteem. Self-love is the best love. So for breakfast, I started off making oatmeal, and I'll add fruit to it. Like, I'll eat blueberries or I'll add bananas to it. Just some type of fiber. Sometimes I'll swap out breakfast for some eggs and white toast. Everyone always talks about the toast, whether you're supposed to eat wheat toast or white toast or rye toast. I eat white toast. I still lose weight. I just don't overdo it. I'm a coffee addict, so I always had a cup of coffee. It's just strictly almond milk. Yeah, I had to put sugar in, so, but still, and make me, you know, later. I hate working out when I'm bloated. So after breakfast, I would snack in between my meals. I eat breakfast like around 9 a.m. I would go off and snack like around, I would say like around 11 a.m. and just grab like a string cheese, or I'll eat an apple. I'll eat some nuts. So for lunch it's just different. I always switched it up because I don't like to eat the same thing all the time. One day I'll eat like grilled chicken Caesar salad, or the next day I'll eat like an avocado on white toast, or I'll switch it up and I'll have like, you know, like a tuna sandwich or an egg sandwich, things like that. For dinner, I always stuck with the whole chicken. I always have rice and chicken. I'm Hispanic. That's pretty much our dinner already, so that just made it even more easier for me. So I will make like pollo guisado, yellow rice with baked chicken. I wasn't counting my calories, but I was counting how much I was eating. In the beginning, before I even started my diet, I was constantly just munching on something. But this time around, when I'm on my diet, I'm working out and I'm actually keeping track of what I'm putting in my mouth. So I had a routine of not eating past 7 p.m. I chose not to eat past that time. I will go off and cook dinner early. Dinner will be served around 4 o'clock. I still have my sweet tooth, so obviously I still have to get my dessert in. I'll have like a pudding, I'll have candy, I'll eat cookies, anything, but on different days. Yes, I'll eat a couple cookies. I won't eat the whole box, but I would have a snack. While I was eating all of that, I was constantly making sure that I was drinking water throughout the day. Even after I drank my coffee, I still would drink water after, because coffee dehydrates you. Now I'm so used to drinking so much water that it doesn't bother me not to drink juice, soda, any of that. Like, I don't even crave for it anymore. It's crazy. Since starting my whole diet, and working out and eating right, I've noticed that my cravings have completely died off. I do still have sweets and stuff in the pantry and stuff for the kids there, but if I see it like laying there, I don't crave to want to open it and eat it right then and there like I used to. Once I see something on the table, if I see cake or anything on the table, I'm like, ooh, cake, and then I'll just go and have a piece. So when I see something, I'm not like, ooh, I got it. Ooh, can I grab one? Ooh, can I grab? I don't do that anymore. I don't even crave for it. I see it and I walk right past it. I'm amazed at myself that I'm able to do that. Basically, I watched multiple different workout videos to target certain areas that I wanted to improve in, like my arms and my belly. I didn't want to lose anything from my butt because that's the only thing I got really working for myself. So I added lifting weights into my workout because working out your muscles help increases you to burn fat. I only worked out 3 times a week. So I would start off by working out my arms, then I'll work my way down, and then I will finish off the workout with like a 10-minute cardio. So I'll either run on the treadmill. One advice I have is do not compare yourself with anyone else because everybody is different. Not everyone is going to have the same results. If one person loses 20 pounds and she looks slimmer, or she officially got abs after losing 20 pounds, you cannot be mad at that because everyone's body type is different. What results that person sees, you may not see that. But it doesn't mean that you're not doing it wrong. Don't give up just because you don't see results. It's working, it just takes time and patience. If you want to see fast results, you have to stick with it. Actually eat right, stop cutting corners. Please stop crash dieting. Crash dieting is literally the worst for you. Yeah, that's fine. You can lose 10 pounds. Boom. The following week, you could easily gain those 10 pounds back. Your body requires energy. And where are you going to get that energy from? Your food. So your body's asking you for food. When your stomach is growling, your body is talking to you. When your body's talking to you, you have to listen to it. Alright, you guys, it's time to wrap this up. I hope my advice helped you with your weight loss journey. Feel free to leave any comments below. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social medias. Alright, bye!